Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the binomial distribution using calci. We know that binomial distribution model allows us to compute the probability of observing a specified number of successes when the process is repeated a specific number of times. To define a random variable x denoting the number of successes in an outcome of a binomial experiment having n trials and p as a probability of success in each trial is called binomial random variable. Its probability mass function is given by p of x equal to x nc x p to the power of x q to the power of n minus x for all the values of n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, and q is equal to 1 minus p. Let us consider now one example. Suppose that we have a fair coin and flip it 7 times. Calculate the probability receiving the head twice, receiving the head 4 times, receiving the head 5 times, receiving the head at least 4 times, receiving the head at least twice. In the given, we know that n is equal to 7, p is equal to success, which is 1 by 2, and q is equal to 1 by 2. Receiving the head twice means x is equal to 2, and substituting it in a formula we get it as 21 by 128. Receiving the head 4 times means x is equal to 4. Substituting it in formula we get it as 21 by 128. Receiving the head 5 times x is equal to 5, which will be 35 by 128. Receiving the head at least 4 means p of 4 plus p of 5 plus p of 6 plus p of 7, which will be obtaining as 0.5. At least twice means p of 2 to p of 7, or 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1, which will be 15 by 16. Hence, I am going to solve the same example using calci. Now let us solve the same example using calci. Apply the value of n as 7, then combination press shift and divided by, and then for the various values of x, let us make it as x itself. Press alpha, then x, and then the value of probability of success, which is press into, and the value of probability of success p as 0.5 to the power of x, and into the probability of failures, which is also 0.5 to the power of n minus x, which will be 7 minus x for the various values of x, and then press calci. Now, as it is known that for the value of at least head equal to twice, press x is equal to 2. Then it will be 0.16462506425. Then shift and d by c, which will be 21 by 128, and it is as the value of obtained as 121 by 128. Then, as it is asked for the head values of at least x is equal, at least 4 times, now we know that x is equal to 4. Press calci, then again the value of x is equal to 4, press 4, and then equal to, which will be 0.2734375. Then press shift and d by c, which will be 35 by 128. Manually also equal to p of x is equal to 4 is 35 by 128. Now for getting head is equal to 5 times, now again press calci and x is equal to 5, and which is 0.1640625, and then press shift and d by c, which will be 21 by 128. Manually also we have got p of x is equal to 5 for. Now solving for x is equal to at least 4 times means p of 4 plus p of 5 plus p of 6 plus p of 7. we have to first press AC, then press 0, then press shift, then press RCL, then press M plus, then press again AC and press 2 times back, and now press calci, and first x is equal to 4, and then press is equal to, and then press answer and press M plus and press again back, which is the value of x is equal to 4, and now press again calci and press x is equal to 5, then press is equal to, press answer plus M plus back, and again adding p of x is equal to 6, press 6, then press is equal to answer M plus back, and again press calci, and again we have to add 7, then press 7 is equal to answer M plus back, and then press AC, then press RCL and M plus, which is the required value, which is manually also have got p of x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Then press shift and d by c, which is 1 by 2, and manually also it is 1 by 2. Now solving for at least head is equal to 2 times means p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4 plus up to so on p of 7, or 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1. So we in calci we have to press AC, then again press 0, and then press shift and then press RCL and press M plus, and then press AC and press twice back, and now we have to add the values of p of 0 and p of 1. So press p of 0, so x is equal to 0, press 0, then equal to, then answer M plus back, and again calci. We add along with the p of 0 plus p of 1, so x is equal to 1, press 1 is equal to answer M plus, and then press AC, and we know that 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1, so press 1,
hence
minus,
we have verified the binomial distribution
and then
using
press
calci.
alpha,
Thank you
and then
for
press
watching
M,
the video.
and this is the required answer, which is 0.9375, and then press shift and then d by c, which is 15 by 16, and manually also we will get the same value as 15 by 16.